If you prefer a cleaner and more minimal browser layout, the sidebar in Opera GX is something you might want to turn off. The sidebar gives you quick access to tools like messaging apps, music controls, and shortcuts, but not everyone needs it taking up space on the left side of the screen. In this video, I'll show you how to hide the sidebar in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings or press Alt+P to open it instantly. Once you're inside Settings, look for Appearance. Then scroll down until you find Sidebar. Alternatively, use the search bar at the top and type Sidebar. This will take you directly to the sidebar settings. Here, you'll see an option that controls whether the sidebar is enabled. Simply turn the toggle off. As soon as you disable it, the sidebar will immediately disappear from the left side of the browser. This gives you more horizontal space, which can be especially useful on smaller screens or when focusing on content like videos, documents, or websites. If you ever want it back, you can return to the same settings and turn it on again at any time. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the sidebar in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, browser customization guides, gaming browser tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.